Everyone, I'm Jerry here with the Happy Hootie, here to save you time and money and for you and your family. And one of the great things we love to do with our family is spend time in the great outdoors, or in our case, a screened-in deck. And when it gets cooler outside here in the Midwest, or if you live in any other cooler region, you're very well aware that it is a necessity to have some kind of outdoor heat. I was just sent this lovely tower pyramid heater that is 88 inches tall and about 19 inches wide and has a convenient hidden storage compartment underneath for the gas and wheels to allow us to wheel it around, and even a cover to cover it up whenever we're not using it in the summer. This is going to be a fantastic way for us to bring the inside out, and I'm here to show you how to put it together and how we're going to use it. The instructions are all really well laid out in the book that they provide, and the nice part is too, this kit also includes the tools that you're going to need to actually put this together, which is just a Phillips head screwdriver and this little wrench here. But if you have access to power tools, obviously you can speed things along. I've gone ahead and put the wheels on the base as the first move here, so those are on there, which is nice to have the wheels as an option. And we're going to be taking these pieces here, this nice aluminum pieces here, so keep this nice and lightweight, and they are simply going to lock in place around the edges of this. We're going to put all four of those in and tighten it in, and then we're going to get this piece put on right here. It's going to lock in place and tighten that down. We've got this base part here with these wheels. It's going to allow you to easily move that around, so I can see how easy that's going to be, which is going to be great. We've gone ahead and installed this piece in here, so that's going to help hold our tank. One of the nice features that this has is the ability, if it happens to fall over, it shuts itself off, so that's a really nice feature that that has, which I really like. And then I'm going to go ahead and get these pieces put on. This is a tall heater. May end up having to take this one outside. This is again 88 inches tall, so you got to make sure you've got the clearance for the heat. This has got a screwdriver here. We're going to keep working on this. This has got the flame arrestor here at the top. We're getting that put on. The only thing that's going to go on top of this is just the heat deflector that's going to deflect it back down. And then we're going to insert that beautiful glass tube that it came with in the middle, and we should be nearing completion. This came packaged really well. It's got this beautiful glass tube that's going to trap that flame as it travels through there, giving this a beautiful display. We're going to simply insert this up into there, and then resting this down onto here, we'll get it positioned into place. These little protective grates go on here really easy. They've got these little hooks on the back that line directly up with the little hooks, little hook holes there. And we're just going to line those up on there. There's actually 6 of them. Make sure that they get all pressed in there and lined up like that. And then there is this little fixing bracket that looks like this that came with there. That's just going to simply place on here. We're going to put one screw in there, and that's going to hold that down and keep it from coming up. Putting the side pieces on is extremely easy. It's got 6 of these little screws here. We're going to put them on just by setting this up here like that and just lining them up with the provided holes. I'm going to go ahead and set a couple of them in there and get them in there finger tight, and then I'm just going to go ahead and screw them in with the power screwdriver. So I've got the gas installed here. Simple turn operation, turned on the gas. This was easy to switch to pilot light. Went ahead and used this little igniter to start it. Had the pilot light. Now right here I've got it set on low. And obviously you can crank this all the way up. It's 48,000 BTUs, so this thing can crank all the way up. And it's got a beautiful display. You can immediately feel it start putting off a little bit of heat. And of course it's going to hit this reflector. It's going to provide a nice evenly distributed heat. I'm going to get the door put on here, and then we'll get the kids out here and see what they think. There is a built-in feature, which is nice to have, that if this happens to tip over, for example, a pet knocks it over, a kid runs into it, or a strong gust of wind and happens to knock this over 45 degrees, it will automatically shut off. That's a great feature to have. So what do you think, bud?
It's good.
Is it pretty cool?
Yeah.
I think it's really nice, and it puts off a nice even heat, which is really great. So it can provide 360-degree heat, so it's going to be good for us. And the fact that it is nice and protected, if it happens to tilt a little bit, it's going to automatically shut itself off, which is great, especially if you've got little fur babies like this, which is going to be really nice. It does have this nice protective grate on the side, kind of keep your fingers from getting in there, which is good as well. But even though this is not hot to the touch, it is putting off a lot of really nice heat in the room. With that reflector up top, it's just letting everything just cascade down and adds a great piece of ambiance for our deck. Once you're kind of done wanting to wrap up for the day, it is nice that they did send this protective cover. Now you don't just want to go throwing it on there right away. You can easily access the valve down here. You're going to turn this down, turn it off, and then you're going to let it sit and cool down. But after that's cooled down, you then get this nice protective weather cover that goes over the whole thing. and it will keep it nice and protected from rain, snow, and that kind of thing if you did have this on an outside deck. But really great. Really appreciate you guys sending us this heater.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.